In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Tradingview, a powerful tool for traders, especially for beginners. Let's dive in and explore its features step by step. First things first, head over to the Tradingview website. As you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a variety of products and tools that Tradingview offers. It's structured to provide everything a trader might need, from charts to social trading ideas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're comfortable, let's explore the different sections. TradingView is not just about charts, it has a vibrant community section where traders from all over the world share their insights and ideas. Whether you're into stocks, forex, or crypto, the community is a valuable resource for learning and sharing. Now switch to the market section. This is where you'll get a comprehensive overview of what's happening in different financial markets. Keep an eye on this section to stay informed and make better trading decisions. In addition to markets, TradingView has more features like economy updates and news that impact market movements. It's crucial to stay updated with these to understand the bigger picture of your trading environment. Next, when you're ready to start analyzing, click the plus sign to add a symbol to your watch list. TradingView covers a wide range of symbols such as stocks, funds, futures, and forex. Essentially everything you need regardless of your trading focus. For this example, we're delving into forex. Upon selecting forex, choose a currency pair like USDJPY by clicking the plus sign next to it. After you've selected your currency pair, click on USDJPY. Once you've done that, click on Full Chart. This will show you a detailed view of the price movement over various timeframes. The chart is where you'll spend most of your time, so getting comfortable with its nuances is important. Moreover, you can enhance your analysis by adding indicators. TradingView supports a multitude of indicators, allowing you to apply technical analysis concepts effectively. Understanding how to use these can make a significant difference in your trading outcomes. Another handy feature is the replay function. This allows you to simulate past market conditions and practice your trading skills without live pressure. It's an excellent way to hone your strategy. Finally, don't forget the tools on the left side of the screen. You can add lines, draw Fibonacci retracements, or even annotate the charts for clearer analysis. These tools can help you mark out trends, support and resistance levels, and other critical trading patterns. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to TradingView. With these steps, you now have a solid foundation to explore more complex features on your own. Keep experimenting, stay informed, and happy trading!